Good days everyone. On this tutorial I'm going to teach you on how to sign up on Fiverr.com. How to sign up on Fiverr.com as a buyer. Before we start this tutorial, remember to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for more new videos from us. Thank you. Now before we start, remember to register for an email. Let's register for an email. Let's go ahead to Fiverr.com. Or you can go to google.com. if you don't have the direct visit, click on Fiverr. Here is its site. The first Fiverr.com. There is it. Fiverr Freelance Services Marketplace. Click on it. Here is the site. So we need to sign up. Just click on join now. Give us different options to sign up. So I want to sign up with my Gmail account. I can link my Gmail account direct, continue with Google, but let me sign up with an email. So just put your email address here. Put your email address here. Continue. Your password. Choose username. Let me choose a username. David 002. Already? You can see David 009. Then a password. Click on join. You can see password. Password. Username, password. Click on join. Put password. Then this is it. You just sign up to Fiverr.com. There is it. So we can search for what you want to buy on this site. For example, now let's search for music video. Search for music. You can see here is the music. What you have to do, if you want to buy anything on it, just click on any. For example, you want to buy this. I will compose beautiful music for your video game. So just click on it. Click on the service. After clicking on service, you can chat with the seller by clicking on message. This you can chat with him. Send email. You can send email. You can chat before you place an order. So let's continue. Just click on continue. You can view other services. The standard is basically standard. This premium. You can click on it. You can see. You can click on it. Premium. You can click on continue. After clicking on continue, what else? Now click on this to pay. Click on continue. You can see what you have to do is just click on continue to check out. It's going to bring you to the where you're going to put your card details or paying with PayPal. And remember, after signing up, you can say you need to activate your account. Go to the site. Go to the site to activate your account. Just go to your email. Here's your email. You can see Fiverr activate your new account. Click on it. You can see there's it. You're almost there. Just confirm your email. The next thing for you to do is click on activate your account. Click on here. Oh no, we are sorry, but something did not go well. Okay, to fix, please try again or contact our support. Let's resend. Send. Let's check again. You can see activate. It will be sent. This is it. Activate. You can see account successfully activated. Hey, this is a great time to edit your profile. So what else? The next thing to do is go to edit your profile and do other necessary things. Your full name, David Mark. You can go online. 1 hour. You can go online. Click on save. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Click on notification bell for more new details, videos from us. Thank you for watching.